It's going now.
Welcome to TA. Speaking to the mic. I will try to speak to the mic. Let me get my sweater on. Where's Shrewsbury? That was nice. I like that, David. I love you, Johnny! Thank you, David. David, this is a show called TAD. It's about teaching assistants. Can you say teaching assistant? I bet you can. Come on, go ahead, give it a try. You have a good voice.
Love connection. Good.
Before we continue, let's get a word from our sponsor.
From SOM Pictures, a new terrifying production, The Texas Cheat Sheet Massacre.
Our show. On TAB today, we decided to explore the world of PA's grading. What happens when you turn in that very important paper? When you finish that horrible exam? You see the TAs in the little rooms grading. Are they grading objectively? What's really taking place inside those rooms? Well, let's come up and check. Hello, TAs. Say hi to the nice people out there. Hi.
Oh, Christ, look at this handwriting. Nick Stanley. What is this written in? Urdu? 0. Big zip. Nothing. No points.
Bill Connolly. He got the numbers wrong. He put down 275. I think he meant 175.
This is an interesting one. You guys are going to be interested in this. Vivica Gardner. Before she started her test, she said, "Dear James, please, 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 let me be an IDMTA. Please."
Look at this. Look at this. That's really good. That's excellent. Who's that? Julio Roja Gamba. I don't know. You criticized TA in the last TA session. You understand? Now look at this crap here. I don't know. I can't do that.
Get rid of that. All right, guys, here we go. I got Michael Bacon's exam. Looks it's pretty well done. It's well written and organized, but we have a personality problem here. Boys, what do you think? What do you think? Fine.
Michael Worthen, well written, detailed analysis, but he looks like a mass murderer. Well, let's not talk about Facebook pictures, shall we?
This is an interesting one. You guys are going to think this is really interesting. Elizabeth Thompson. Dear James, can you please have Yanni grade my test?
That's very illuminating. But we've got to figure out this best class ever. We've got to eat, drink, sleep, think like these scoundrels.
As long as I don't have to drink and party like that Roachy fella, I'd sooner send my sister on a date with William Kennedy Smith.
That's not the half of it. That's not the half of it. I remember one summer in 1967, I was on the Nixon team digging up some dirt on the Kennedy campaign. It was easy pickings, like picking apples from the bottom of trees. Rochi runs with that group. You're almost right, Professor Katz. I wouldn't want my daughter out with either of them.
Wait a minute. Will somebody tell me where this name Rochi comes from? I mean, what is it? Someone who crowds around on your kitchen floor looking for crumbs and scraps? Is he the guy who'll check in but won't check out? I just don't know. Somebody tell me.
All the polling data indicate that the whole class rummages around on the floor for crumbs and scraps. They want the dirty campaign. You know, sex, scandal, innuendo, avoid the issues. You know, like we always do.
Hold on, Will, hold on. Gotta refocus. Gotta get focused. Stay with the issue. I was here at Yale. I did the boola boola thing. Cracked a few books in my time. You're up.
And now for your enjoyment, we have the final show of the current Karnak. Karnak will be retiring May 25th, only to return in your nightmares. Kelly?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Before me, I have sealed envelopes whose... Oh, what the hell, you know all this. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Please join me in welcoming the mysterious, the amazing, the magnificent Karnak. The first envelope.
A person with 27 job offers and Mark Wick.
A person with 27 job offers and Mark Wick.
What's the difference between a yoon and a goon? A pool cue and a glass of beer.
A pool cue and a glass of beer.
Name the only two things Lars Cry can pick up at the Gypsy. Cheaper by the dozen.
Cheaper by the dozen.
How did Ken, Larry, and Yarrow afford the women in Rio? And you share the same blood bank with Larry D'Angelo. Barry Nail Buffs, V-neck cardigan, and Dean Levine.
Barry Nail Buff's cardigan and Dean Levine.
And the two worst sweaters at SOM.
In the NCAA basketball playoff game, Duke 50, Kentucky 45. Halftime score. 50 to 45.
What did UCLA do?
Okay, UCLA didn't play today. They canceled the game. Okay. Next, we have a very exciting act, backed by popular man. You know him, you love him. Alex, Christina, Annie Maldonado singer.
Welcome the Smash Comedy team that was the runway hit from the fall Coffeehouse. They wrote this.
Howard Diamond and Kenny Howard Diamond with Boy Are We Funny.
Control yourselves, please. They're supposed to have like music stands so we can just like subtly glance at our scripts, you know, and so I wouldn't have done 9 pages if I thought that I couldn't read it from this far away. Svi was a little embarrassed to come on stage because last time we weren't funny. And he forgot to zip up his zipper. So can we just have a little encouragement for him? Svi, 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 Svi. Sheepsack egg, take 2. Is this on? Now, Svi doesn't know this, but my script is entirely different from his. Now, if you recall, the proper procedure is to take a big gulp of beer, just like we did about 30 seconds ago, and then laugh hilariously at all of our jokes. Any deviations from these rules will be considered a violation of the Yale Honor Code. Hi, I'm Mark Ziering. Hi, I'm Mark Marshall. And we want to pump you up. I told you they can't tell us apart. Welcome to Kenny and Svi's greatest hits. Thank you. Okay. Previously on SOM Coffeehouse, Svi was having a job interview. Uh-oh. Is that an important take?